everyone, it's Corvette Dan. Welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to talk about how to get bug stuff off of your car. A bug, or in this case, bird. This is no good, you know that. So we're going to jump right to it. The first thing we want to do is we want to get this residue off here, okay? So I'm just going to take some speed shine and apply it and carefully try to get this stuff off. It's not necessarily going to be an easy process, folks, but you got to try to get this off because you've etched, the stuff has etched the paint here, folks. So usually if you get to it right away, you're going to get it off, okay? But that is not the end of your ordeal here. You cannot see it, but that paint is etched. And what you have to do is you have to remove the surface contaminants. With that, we're going to use some clay. Okay, I use this synthetic clay from Griot, but the traditional clay that you wad up will work just fine. So next thing we're going to do is we're going to take a speed shine or anything equivalent, and we're just going to spray it right on there. I like to also spray the clay, right? And you can actually feel, and right now I think we already got it, which is great. Okay, from there, simple enough. Take a clean microfiber and you're going to wipe it down. In this case, it's pretty simple, but lastly, apply some wax. In this case, we'll use Griot's Best Gel Spray Wax. But folks, make sure that you use some clay to get those contaminants off your paint. That's the key, because you cannot see what's underneath. Stay tuned. Thank you very much. Click the thumbs up. Until the next one, it's Corvette Dan. Thank you.